All right, friends and family, so we are back. This is the continuation trial for sparking Hyperion.
And sparking Hyperion R and sparking Helios M.
So sparking Hyperion R and sparking Helios M. Okay, so which one you want to do first?
Sparking Hyperion R.
All right, sparking Hyperion R. Okay, so let it be done. All right, Fenner family, we are back. So we're about to do the trial with sparking Hyperion R, followed up with sparking Helios M. All right, let's see how this goes. Ready? Oh! Oh!
And plus, if you spin it, it actually makes us a purple.
Yeah. So yes, yeah. Because I guess because it's blue and red as it spins, it looks like purple.
It's like both power like siblings.
All right.
But he got him good with this.
Yeah, he did. All right. Next we have Wind Knight. Ready? Shoot! He ran around the edge too much. Lost a lot of power. Oh my goodness! He whopped him. He whopped him. He didn't have nothing for him. I think he probably better in high mode. Well, actually, I don't think it makes a difference.
Actually, no. It's gonna make it worse because it's upper. Like it's very very upper.
Mm-hmm.
Like he's gonna be taller, so you can't really do it like often. Like when he's in low mode.
All right. Oops. Sorry, y'all. I wasn't showing y'all. Savior Valkyrie. Saber Valkyrie. I keep saying Savior. Saber Valkyrie. Oh, he gonna burn out right there. He gonna burn out. He gonna burn out.
Get back in. Get back in.
No, he gonna burn out. He gonna burn out right there. I don't know how he got stuck there.
He kind of almost.
Yeah, he almost. He's Saber Valkyrie is up. He got stuck up there. I think if he came down, he'd have beat him up. All right. Z4 again.
Did you put it back in?
Mm-hmm. Well, it didn't come out last time. Make sure it's locked. He is.
Just make sure.
Okay. Oh! Z4.
And his sword came out.
Z4. Took a swipe at him with a sword. Okay. Z4 is up. All right. Next we have Cyclone Bilal. Cyclone Bilal. Ready to go. Cyclone Bilal came back around for a hard hit after getting hit himself. Ooh! Cyclone Bilal.
Hey, that was beautiful. That was beautiful.
Come on, come back down, man.
Actually, no, I think it's about to run out.
All right, he took down Cyclone Bilal. Got a little revenge for Cyclone Bilal taking down last time. Okay, next we have
Dynamite Bilal.
Dynamite Bilal, perfect gear. Dynamite Bilal. Right, he said, hold on, you mess with my Bilals. Don't you mess with my Bilals. Okay. All right, next we have Cyclone Ragnarok. Cyclone Ragnarok. AKA Agent Hornetplex. 3, 2, 1. Hey, I like how he looks purple as he's spinning. Come on, take him down. And the beat down. Okay. Took him down. Next we have Astral Spriggan. Astral Spriggan. Ready? No. All right. Next.
How did he won?
Oh yeah, he's up. All right. Next we have Vanish Fafnir. He's taking that out outside.
It's okay. Trust me. Trust me.
Oh. 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 Oh, man. Ready? Oh. Nice counter. Nice counter. Don't look like it made him any stronger after swapping them out. All right, next we have Guilty Longinus. Nice action. They said bow, bow, bow. And he's up. I don't know, man. Look like we got Fugazi Valkyrie here. Looks like that change is not helping him out at all.
He might got unlucky, or his base form got very lucky. Either one.
Oh man. He's a left spin.
I
mean right spin, right? When he goes outside, he sends himself out a lot. You need to get down there, because there's no reason why he should beat him. Come on, get down there and beat him down. Come on. Let's go hit him. Oh, there you go. Fugazi Valkyrie took the loss. Okay. All right, so he is down. All right, next we have Dynamite Bilal. Dynamite Bilal. Just clicked in. Here we go. All right, ready? Ready? Down there, hit him. Stop all this dancing. Stop all this dancing. And Dynamite Bilal takes him down. All right. Last but not least, Sparking Helios. Sparking Helios.
You got lucky.
All right, ready. Shoot! Oh! Woo! Where was that? What was that energy earlier? Where was that energy? All right. All right, so we'll be right back. All right, guys, so 6 out of 13, that is 46% for Sparking Hyperion. Next, we will put Sparking Helios into a trial. Let's see how he does. And let's go, starting off again with Ultimate Valkyrie. When he bursted Ultimate Valkyrie, I thought he was gonna do something crazy. I just want one time to see a trial where the Beyblade wins all of them for 100%. Well, that purple looks good. All right, that purple looks real good on him. I like how he goes from blue and red to purple. All right, so Ultimate Valkyrie's down. Next we have Wind Knight. Wind Knight. The Wapty. He just gets whopped in here. I think we're gonna get him a new driver or something.
His official driver is.
Huh?
His official driver is like making him too low.
Yeah. All right, ready. We have now. I'm sorry, y'all. Man, y'all know who it is. It's Saber Valkyrie. Let me just stop showing the camera. Saber Valkyrie. People want to shoot. Woo! Saber Valkyrie come with the saber. Saber Valkyrie come with the saber. Uh-oh. Saber Valkyrie come with the saber. And Saber Valkyrie is down. Okay.
Yeah, and I think And I think they did this so like they could represent like that on you know how purple 5 is the strongest.
Yeah.
Like so they got like a very good like a glow up or power up.
All right, next we have Zeephoid. Zeephoid Excalibur. Shoot! Woo! Zeephoid came down, attacking him back up. Will it be enough? Will it be enough? Will it be enough? Uh-oh. Like Zeephoid got him angled. Like Zeephoid got him angled. Oh. Ooh. No.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna lose.
I thought he was gonna lose too. That was a nice little tie. All right. Ready. All right. Zeephoid is down. That's 4 in a row. All right. Next we have.
Cyclone Belial.
Cyclone Belial. Cyclone Belial. The Belials have been holding it down through this trial. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Hard hit. He's hitting and attacking from different angles, trying to keep the center going. Looks like he's trying to circle punch Cyclone Belial, but like Cyclone Belial gonna probably push him down, make him spin out. Yeah, he's pushing him down. All right, cool. I ain't gonna touch it. Oh! Yeah, being that he a left spin, he was hitting him and man had him come back. All right, ready? Crit damage.
I'm not getting angry. Good.
I'm gonna get this. All right, Cyclone Belial gets that. He's up. All right, next we have Dynamite Belial Perfect Gear. Dynamite Belial Perfect Gear. Ready? Dynamite Belial Perfect Gear.
Hey, you don't do that.
Dynamite Belial Perfect Gear down. Next we have Cyclone. Oops. Cyclone Ragnarok. Cyclone Ragnarok.
Yeah, this is good.
Right, hold on. Ready? I want to see a Ragnarok DB.
What's this?
Oh, that's right. He is. You're right.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Whoops. Ooh. Ooh.
Man, that's really easy.
Ooh. Ooh. Nice, good hits. Oh, no, he got that. Sparking Helios got that. He's down. All right.
He's low every time, but he just comes back.
All right, next we have Astro Spriggan. Astro Spriggan. Shoot! He's taking the center. He's coming down. So far, Sparking Helios has only lost 1. 2.
There you go.
He lost 2 so far. That's it.
He seems good.
Yeah. All right, but it's all about how he ends up too. Next, we have Vanish Fafnir. Shoot!
Nice.
Took him down. Now you are in the realm of the Longinus.
No.
You are in the realm. Let's go. I'm about to say rage. Let's go, Guilty. Ready? Shoot! Oh! Took down Rage. He got revenge for that beat down he did on Super Hyperion. All right, we got Fugazi Valkyrie here. Fugazi Valkyrie. That's gonna be his name from now on. We will let him compete and everything too. Ready? Fugazi Valkyrie. Fugazi Valkyrie. I can't believe this. Oh, man. All right, Fugazi Valkyrie is up. All right, next we have Dynamite Bilal. Ready. Woo! Nice hard hit for Dynamite Bilal. Oh, he's attacking. Whoa! Nice. Nice hard. Oh. What's going on? Uh-oh. I like the action. And he got him. I'm definitely gonna break that down into a short. All right. All right, last but not least, Sparking Hyperion. Sparking Hyperion. Ready? Go shoot! See, his purple looks a little different from his.
He got yellow rubber on it. I started locking.
Oh! He got him.
I kind of want him to. I kind of want him to win. So it's like so you know like he got 10 wins. But
Yeah. All right, we'll be back in a little bit here. All right. So Sparking Helios has 9 out of 13 for 69%. Did way better than Sparking Hyperion with 46%. So yeah, he's a top dog right now with the percentages, I believe. I gotta remember what the other ones had got last time, but either way, good videos. Hope you guys enjoyed them the way we did, because I definitely enjoyed them. I'm gonna have a lot more trials coming up. Pretty much gonna try to do trials for everybody, get them all in. Not every single Beyblade, because we got way too many for that. That'll take us probably a year. So, but mainly for our new ones, and then we'll go ahead and rank them, and then by the summer, we'll be starting our tournaments, which of course we will always end it off with the B-Boat. So the B-Boat will start anywhere between the middle of June or beginning of July, and we got so many more Beyblades now, it's going to be insane.
It's not gonna be funny.
It's not. I'm just very curious to see who our new B-Boat's going to be, because we still have a bunch of metal Beyblades that we got that we still have to put into trials because we haven't used them yet. Plus, we have, got some metal Beyblades here. Got some here.
They're right here.
You know what I mean? Got some here. Oops, sorry. Got some here. So, yeah. I don't know how many metal Beyblades we have now. I know we have a lot. But either way, thanks for watching. And as always, like,
share,
comment,
subscribe.
Dad and Cam are out.
Something you suck.
Really?